2017 was the best year of my entire life. I started Modern Muscle 2 and 3. I also started the Mexican Racing League by completing over 20 races. I won some and I lost some. But honestly guys, it was all about having fun. Met a lot of new people, made some new friends as well. But the most important thing was the fact that I defeated a Mustang 5.0. That's right ladies and gentlemen, I did it. I beat that Mustang and I made it call me daddy. Now everybody will know that a Mustang 5.0 is slower than a Dodge Challenger RT. Haha, awesome.
Not every Mustang.
Excuse me.
I see you lost your voice. Must be from all that lying. We all know a 5.0 Mustang will beat an RT Challenger.
Well, I know you saw the ultimate race and how I defeated that Mustang. It's on tape. It's a fact.
Now that was a manual. This is an automatic.
Oh, what a coincidence. So is mine.
So what do you want to do?
I guess there's only one thing to do.
Alright, bring it on, let's do it.
My balls were tingling. I couldn't wait to race this automatic Mustang 5.0. I had to prove that a Mustang 5.0 was slower than my Dodge Challenger RT. It was a day of reckoning, and I was ready for the challenge. We met up in an undisclosed location, 2 minutes away from the Mexican border. We inspected each other's cars, just to make sure there was no funny business. And yes, if you're asking, I did remember to keep my spare in the back of the car.
So this is my 2015 Mustang GT. It is the base model, but as far as performance goes, I got a air raid cold air intake. Adds about 30 horsepower, 30 torque with a tune. Right now it doesn't have a tune, so it doesn't really specify what I get. Pretty much it as far as the engine bay. I got an oil separator, just for oil, not horsepower. I have a BMR IRS cradle bushing lockout kit to prevent the wheel hop. Okay. So I'm a little under here in the wheels. And as far as exhaust goes, I have a Roush axle back with a resonator deletes with H-pipe.
Okay.
Gives it that America sound.
As for my car, this is a Dodge Challenger RT, equipped with a 5.7 liter Hemi. Beautiful. I also have a GT Momentum FA cool air intake that adds about 14 horsepower. And of course, I have the Corsa catback exhaust, Extreme Edition.
That's all I need. Oh yeah, I forgot. One more thing. Swagger. He looks pissed. More than the guy right next to us. I want one of those. Time to answer the age-old question. Is a Dodge Challenger RT faster than a Mustang 5.0?
I don't think so.
We're about to find out. Yeah, let's do a roll. 25? Alright.
What do you want to do?
You honk?
Huh?
Dig?
Let's go make it straight.
Alright. You have no grip. Oh man.
You want to do another dig or 20?
Dig.
Okay, let's go. Let's make it sort of straight.
Alright. Here, Lala. Yeah. There we go. Damn it. Shit. Alright. Alright, I'll honk. Alright.
I'm in the dark place now. My life is over. I couldn't believe the outcome.
I told you. I told you.
I literally built this entire channel based on the fact that I defeated a Mustang. No! And it seems like the Dodge Challenger RT came up short against the automatic Mustang. I'm gonna end it all! Oh wait, I have a phone call.
Jeff, what's up, buddy? I just saw the video that you sent me.
Oh man, I lost to a Mustang.
Dude, you lost to a friggin' Mustang, though. I mean...
I don't know if I can do this anymore. I might have to end it all.
Jeff, if I could give you any piece of advice, it's this. Keep grinding. Mustang owners, they don't have anything on RT owners. What you've proven to the world, everybody has doubted the 5.7 liter. And you crushed all those doubts by obliterating the competition. You will fight another day. Us Mopar people, we were born to rule the streets. And remember, this one key thing. We're doing this not for ourselves. We're doing it for America, for girls, and for the views. Now, young Jeff, I want you to pick up your bootstraps, close your hood, and get back out there and kick some ass in 2018.
RT Life was right. 2017 was epic, and 2018 will be even more so. That being said, I would just like to thank everybody for their support and for actually allowing this channel to grow where it is today. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? It's only going up to the top. And of course, I have to thank everybody that had the balls to race this 2015 Dodge Challenger RT, because without you guys, this channel would not be anywhere even close to where it is today without you guys participating with me, having a little bit of fun, and heading down to Mexico. So with that being said, I'm going to introduce the 2017 Mexican Racing League roster. Roll the credits.